Hi, John Manoa here again on Te Tii Marae. Huh? Oh, they're getting ready for the morning for the 21 gun salute. I'm going to film it in the morning, and when I when they do the thing over here, karakia, when you for us do the karakia, we're going to authenticate the documents from here in the morning, and then wait for the 21 gun salute, and I'll film it while it's banging off for us. Right? They're going to bang it for us. Right?
And where's, what is the Alpatoro?
Money.
Yeah.
Well, he'll be here. I've told him to have the karakia and sit on the stool over here. I'll take a snapshot, then go over there before the ceremony, eh? In the morning.
With that stool there?
Huh?
That stool over there?
No, over here, in the court. I'll just put the form over there and you sit on it and I'll take a snapshot, then go over there. No talk, just go there, just for the record. Okay? As a native court. And you know what? Those cheeky buggers gone ahead with the native court in there.
Who?
Waitai.
Hey?
Bundy, he performed in that parliament, the first native court, with this stuff without us.
Oh, hell, is he in there now?
Yeah, he's coming over afterwards to talk about it. They all, cheeky buggers have gone ahead with us.
Without us?
Yeah.
They can't do that without
They
us.
just did, but they had no vote on it. But they've gone and used it. Cheeky buggers. Yeah. You want to say something? Okay. Yeah. No. Kingi's, huh? John, yeah,
And where's Kingi?
he's gone home.
Hey?
He's going to go home because he's had nothing. Oh, that's what he said. They left him out, man. They left him out. They went without. They made their meeting up there without him for a start. I said, "Did you know about the meeting?" He said, "No." I said, "Those fellas are stealing it off you. They're stealing it off you. That's why they wanted me out of the way and you out of the way." Huh?
Well, we've managed, Mata to Hoka has managed to get a hui with the government.
Yeah. So you can go ahead with it.
We're going to
After-
hui with her
Yeah.
on Wednesday.
That's the one up in Kayo.
No. I don't know about the one in Kaya.
Yeah, there's one up in Kayo. That's what thing Money came to tell me. They want me to go there. They want me. I said they were invited me to come back in the thing. I said no, not going. So they said, "Can you come to the hui on Wednesday up in Kayo?"
Where?
Kayo at Nuki Orange. It was Bryce.
No, we're not going to that one.
Well, she must be going to that one.
Oh, no, sorry. So what she said to our secretary,
Yeah.
said, make a time for her to come and meet us
Oh yeah.
in Matatu.
Oh, in Matatu. Would she do it on a Wednesday?
No,
Oh, okay.
we got to make the date.
Oh, okay. So,
We're going to do it Wednesday, but I said, nah.
yeah, so that's where she'll be up on Wednesday on KO. So if she's going to come down and see you, there's no need for you to go up there. You better go and do your own thing.
No, we want her to come to Matatu.
Yeah, do your own thing.
Not to anybody else from Matatu. We
Yeah.
gotta go home and set up our parliament and start.
Yep. That's got to go ahead now.
Yeah, we were just having a week there.
Oh, okay. So,
And because of the things that happened over here,
yeah,
we're just gonna go home
yeah,
and start giving our council,
yeah,
our regional council,
yep.
the companies in Eruera the notice.
Right. Okay.
Just passing resolutions here now.
Right, good.
So I don't know if we'll step out here and tell you that.
Yeah, no, good. I'm pleased to hear that. So now you can move on and to the next day.
So I think to them,
Yeah. So,
in Matatu, we have to lead this.
yeah,
We know what to do. Now that we've been here,
yeah,
we know what's going on up here.
yeah.
We put away. See, Hay's with us.
Oh, hey. Okay,
Oh yeah.
okay. All of them,
He's Papa.
all of them.
Hay's here with us because he's Papa.
Oh, okay.
And everybody else wants to come with us with their Papa. Come.
Which hey is that? Wiremu or Reuben? Wiremu. Oh, Wiremu. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. That's you're ready to go, basically. Yeah.
We just having a way over
That's fine. Well,
Walker district,
endorse that.
and that's what we're gonna. We're just having a way now
Mm.
with the fellas from here, like Winnemu,
Mhm.
and we're setting up. We're going home.
Mhm.
We're gonna set up our parliament. We
Yep.
already set up our parliament.
Yeah. So I know that.
At Muriwaka, now we're gonna go back and make it work.
Yeah. So okay. So
That's what we came here for, just to get them notice.
yeah, give them those. So okay. How about the flag going up the pole? Are you going to have anything to do with that in the morning? You're going to be here in the morning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which pole?
On the other side. On.
You
Okay.
I'll still carry the flag over there.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
But
So.
long as everybody else because I'll tell you why I carry the flag.
Yep.
The flag is just a flag to tell everybody, ye,
Yes. 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 Here.
hey.
Yeah.
And then it's up to the what is it? The speaker.
Yeah.
And then well, somebody has to speak.
Right.
And who's that?
Somebody
Who's
has.
gonna do the karakia up there? Is there
Oh.
gonna be a karakia
Oh.
over here?
No, we do a karakia before we go there.
Yeah.
I won't be going. I'll be here waiting for the 21 gun salute. So you fellas go. Manahi will probably do it.
Yeah.
Right? He's our Apotoro. Or yourself. But I'll find out from Bundy.
No, well, he's the Apaturo, so he gotta do it.
Yeah, he's got to do it. So he'll do it here. He'll bless this native court, right, for its authenticating the document, okay, for you to use, and then he'll authenticate the flag on the other side.
And we're gonna walk from here up there.
It looks like it, but you need to make your transport available now.
Yeah.
Get one of your boys to tell the security to open the way for you and the car registration to get you straight through.
Yeah.
Don't walk, okay?
No. Or else I'll get that motorbike on here.
Go in style. You might fall off the back, mate.
Yeah, no.
So, okay.
But the thing is, I gotta want to carry the flag
Okay.
so he can walk.
Right. Yeah, he can walk with the rest of them. But you need to be there inside the whare or outside, or inside would be better. Might say something. You might talk and say, we are now ready to go.
Yeah, well, we got our talker.
Yeah.
He's our chairman.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we're now being mandated ourselves on the 27th of January.
Yeah.
Before we came up here,
Mm.
elected all our judges. I'm one.
Right.
I'm now a native assistant, native court judge,
Hmm.
and a couple of other ones.
Right.
And let's start our native court.
Okay.
We already started.
Yeah.
We have, but now we're going to pick it up.
Implement things. And so, okay, so I'm going to corrected all the mistakes. We're correcting all the mistakes, and we're going to resend it again to Britain and the Navy to notify them that the native court is open for business, ready to go. So that's more or less completes it. And I'm going to wait here for the guns to go off to authenticate on video.
Yeah.
All right?
But make sure there's 21.
Yeah, I'll count them. I'll make sure the film is rolling before it counts. When would the guns go off? What when the flag's going up, eh?
Flag goes up.
Oh, when I see the flag going, oh, it's dark. It's dark.
You
It'll,
can see it.
in the morning, it's dark. I can't see it. All I have to,
The light up there, wasn't it?
yeah, but if it's a light, I'll be able to see it. But then I'm going to roll the camera all the way through to leave it running. We're going to roll our cameras from here to see it, to wait for it, and then wait for it to go off and leave it rolling. All our cameras will be going, right, to authenticate our documents. So that'll give us a 21 gun salute. Okay, you happy with that? Cool. So there we go. That was,
I just got out.
yeah, go on. That was Jim Wikotu, Tupi, his name, really. That's our tent in the background. There's our flag on, and our administration working to re-edit the documents on all my mistakes and take them out, make it court ready, and resend back to Britain, to the Prime Minister, Theresa May, to the Secretary of Defence, Michael Fallon, to the our partner, our legal partner, the Rear Admiral, Sir Philip Jones, to him, the authentication of our documents and sealed by King William IV and Maui Crown. From the Maui Crown King's Bench Court, which is this tent in the background for now. The background in front of the administration there, finishing off the paperwork and tidying them up to resend back to Britain, and to the government put on notice here in New Zealand, to the Navy, the Governor General, Navy Chief John Martin, to Sean Rice, Supreme Court Judge, to the new Governor General, Her Excellency Petsueri, and to John Key, the accused of the Panama Papers that you see on the documents, accused and levied debtor with the pound note. So we're putting the pound note on every politician and Crown agent for the offences they have committed. And then we're sending it to the military here. Well, that's John Martin for the Navy and the military defence. I'm just trying to think of his name at the moment, but anyway, to him, and also to Bill English, Prime Minister of New Zealand, who's not coming to Waitangi Day tomorrow for his own personal reasons, why he doesn't like what's happening at Waitangi. Well, for your sake, Bill English, I was actually evicted from your Maori, Queen Elizabeth II, Marae, Te Tii Marae, and your 1840 obelisk title to New Zealand will be removed. From these lands by the Hapu. Okay, I'm saying that I was offended by Hama Hei. To you, this is a serious matter of doing that to me and grabbing me by my shirt, the King's shirt, and throwing me out. I'll make this public notice to you. The pound note's on your head. Right? Anyone who does that to the King, surrogate, and not take it seriously is in trouble. There are a lot of others who have done that, and anyone tampering with our information, the King's information, will get a pound note on your head, £1 trillion, to be honest, for each offender. So you'll feel the full brunt of the force, martial law on you. Okay? Unfortunately, that's how it works with the King's law. So we have a bit of music going, but I didn't want to go beyond the grounds over there because I'm offended by that political marae there. Bunty Waitai has just used his the documents of the this court, this native court, and left me and Kingi out of it, or left me out of it for being there because I'm being evicted from there. So to you, Bunty, I'm waiting for you to come over to tell you what's happening next, but that's the fashion of this jurisdiction on this side, the 1834 Declaration of War flag, or State of Emergency flag, on this side of these popos, or ancestors' memorials, and on that side the 1835 Declaration of Independence. They have gone and used it in that marae for the reasons of another jurisdiction in the Queen's Bench Court. So that becomes a conflict of interest I want to talk to him about from this King's Bench Court here. So really, that's not a good way to start to do that. But however, that's Ngāpui, and I want to say this publicly. I want to say this publicly to you people who are about to use these documents. Do not tamper with them and do not abuse them because you get a power note on your head too. Okay, it's just a warning. Just a warning that those laws that we use in there, the 1830, 1837, King William IV, 1600 AD to 1694 to 1702, shall be applied to those two kings, King William III and King William IV. And so it has to be authorised through this native court here and those grand jury and judge through this administration to Britain. Okay, so it must pass through here from the hapu of the marae that they represent. Because it's a conflict inside that marae of a Queen's Bench Court practising with a King's Bench Court title on land or any matters legal, it's got to be assessed and scrutinised before being effective under the King's seal. So please be wary of its use, but I've put those names on there: Bandi, Waitai, Manahi, Parapara, Maueni, Kingi Taurua, Jim, Wikotu, Tupi Wikotu, and Te Poroho Ruka. Those are the authorised grand jury and judge and under sheriff. That is the creditor, bank, power note, levy debtor instrument that comes after every case from the hapus is assessed before it goes into the system of the administrators here. We've got our administrators, but I won't talk about that yet until it's completely finished off tonight. Okay, we're remodifying the 27 pages that have been sent to England, and with the signatures on it, Kingi Taurua, myself and Jamie, that goes from the original form that was sent in and amended. So to the British Navy and British military, just making this notice public to you on this day, the 5th of February 2017, that I've amended those documents with Kingi's signature on it as the oldest chief on this marae, and also myself, the sheriff, and Jamie, my secretary of the state of Aotearoa, New Zealand. So I just wanted to make sure that my chief Kingi Taurua was happy. He came over to see me about half an hour ago, and I've explained to him what's going to happen tomorrow. Over here, we're going to have the karakias with Bandi, Manahi, the apotoro, or Ratana minister, a friend of mine from Ngati Bro, Manahi Parapara Mauhini. He will conduct a hui here with the chiefs and all the ancestors in the morning at 5 o'clock, and endorse the legal documents of the native court here. The Maui Crown, King William IV, British native court. Now this court here is transferred from Kororareka, the first British Navy court with Captain Clarendon on his HMS, His Majesty's ship Fortitude, and a 21-gun salute from from the Alligator, the HMS Alligator, George, I just forgot his name now, but it'll come to me in a minute. But I'll be waiting for the 21-gun salute from that Navy ship over there to proclaim the land belongs to the chiefs and not the Queen or King of England or Spain. And that will seal the King William IV and King William III 21-gun salute. I'm just trying to think of the name, George, never mind, but he's the captain of the HMS Alligator. So it's on the documents, so you'll see before long the Hapus are starting to implement these documents legal. They're very, very effective, and please do not tamper with them or abuse them, because it'll go against anybody. I'm applying a bit of diplomacy with starting off the native court here and taking it around the world, and all the Commonwealth countries, and also other countries trading with Britain, UK, and New Zealand. So we're setting up the reassertion of this flag as being unbroken sovereignty or continuity of sovereignty from 20th of March 1834 to kia ora, to the 6th of February 2017, and its anniversary day 20th of March 2017. So with Jimmy Wikotu going on the other side of the bridge to Te Tii Marae, it is a responsibility for someone to put the flag to the top of the British ship mast to have that flag as the flag of New Zealand, and the Union Jack 1902 flag lowered down to the crossbar opposite the British flag as a veterans flag of the Maori veterans and their part in the war. Okay, so now I'm going to leave the camera for the morning and the 21-gun salute, and to finish off this ceremony successfully. So to all the people in the world, this is John Wanoa saying good afternoon to you from Waitangi, Te Tii Marae, Bay of Islands, Northland, New Zealand. Bye for now.